Hey guys, if you look up to my screen right here, as you can see right here, no, okay, sorry. If you look up to my screen right here, you will see it, Pounds app is a legit get paid to site that allow you to earn a passive income simply by sharing your internet connection with users. Hey guys, this is another video on how to make money without doing nothing online. You hear me guys? All what you just need is just to share your internet connection with users. It might sound somehow to you, but I'm going to break it down for you right here on this video guys. Hey guys, if it is first time of meeting me right here on this channel, I make video around making money online. Basically how to make money online. If you can see the videos that I've made, it's basically around how you can make money online. And this is something that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss out on every videos I'm dropping on this channel guys. We're on a road to get to 1000 subscribers. As you can see right here, we are in 107 subscribers. We are on a road to get to 1000 subscribers. You can help this channel by getting to this point, and thereafter I will be sharing valuable opportunities right here on how to make money online. So before I continue about this video guys, do well to like this video so that YouTube will surely recommend this video to a lot of people that might have interest in this type of content right here in this type of video I'm about to get into right now. So guys, other than to have done that, then let's dive into this video of today. So in today's video, we are going to be letting you know how to make money online doing absolutely nothing. I said nothing. So I'm going to be showing two apps for you that you are going to use without doing nothing. So what are you trying to just what are you going to set up on this app? Everything I'm going to tell you in this video. The first app we are going to be talking about is Pounds.app. Pounds.app. We are going to get right here. I'm coming. So this is the app right here. Yeah, Pounds.app. So you don't have to worry about how you get the name of this app. Just check the description of this video. The first link you are going to see will be the link to this website, and the second link will be the link to the second app I'm going to be revealing to you. Just stick around this video and watch till the end for you not to miss any part of this video. As you can see right here guys, i've I've gotten this is the application, and this is my account on this platform. I will tell you what absolutely what you are going to be doing. I mean nothing. I said nothing. So guys, as you can see right here, I've gotten 1.24 dollar, $1.24 right here. As you can see right here. So this is just, let me just explain how this thing is done. Once you use the link that I'm going to drop in the description of this video to open an account on this application, on this website, you are going to get uh $1. You are going to get $1 instantly on on this website. So in this video, as you can see right here, just let us check something. As you can see, this is my own account, and let me just refresh it for you to know that this is absolutely $1.24 right here. So this is just what you just have to do. You don't have anything to do on this website. What you just have to do is just to, once I connect my internet connection like this, as you can see right here, my data is on. So that's just, once your data is on, you start making money. As you can see right here, you are going to see the notification from this website that, let me check. Okay, wait, I want to check something. There's a notification that, okay, I'm coming. I will, okay, there's a notification. I'm going, I want to show it to you guys. Okay, as you can see right here guys, as you can see on my notification right here, you can see Pawns.app running. You are now earning. Why am I earning? Because I've on my data connection. You can just be chatting with your friend, go online, go on YouTube, go anywhere. Once your data is connected, you will start earning on this website. That's just it. You are not doing anything. Once your data is on, you start earning. So this is the interface of um of this this app. Once you click the link I'm going to drop to this site in the description, just click on it, and once you done your registration with that link, if you use that link I'm going to send to in that comment section, you are going to get $1 sign up bonus. And once you are done with your registration on this website, it's just something that is not it's very easy. Once you get here, just click on sign up or login. Very easy for you to register. Just this is my own account. I don't need to log in. That's why. So it's just something that fill in your name, your username, your I don't think okay, username is not there, your name, your email, and your password, and that's everything. And once you are done, let me log out and let me show you exactly how it. Okay, this is just it. So sign up. Yeah, so we are just going to fill in your email, your password, and confirm your password, and this optional. Then you are going to do this. I am I am a woman, and that's once you are done, just click on sign up. And once you are done with that, make sure you are going to see. Okay, wait. Make sure you when go ahead and download the app. That's very essential. There's a way. There's somewhere. Okay, you are going to see where you are going to download it right here. Make sure you download it for easy access. Okay, let me indicate it for you guys. So okay, um make sure you download it. This is just the um download button right here. So make sure you download it. Once you download it on your phone, then just input your details that you have used to log in right here, and just uh start it, and it will be connected. Let me show you some things right there before I go into the second application, and you start earning right here instantly. As you can see right here. Okay, let me show you something. Guys. Okay, okay, let me show you something. Make sure internet connection work for you. As you can see, you just once you connect your internet, this thing will start running, and you start making money from this website. I think I've downloaded the application. Let me just walk you through the application, and let me walk you through on how other things you can use to earn money on this website. This is the application, and as you can see right here, I've earned more than $1 right here for myself right here on this application. It's really working, and it's legitimate because as you can see the notification that you are now earning. So this is the amount of data that this have consumed. So it will be as it's consuming the data, then the money will be accumulated right here. And as you can see, the best part of this application right here is that once you just reach minimum of $5, you can withdraw instantly without any obstruction. And one of the fastest way, another ways to make money from this website is by doing survey. As you can see right here, you are going to click on survey and open setting, then click on open your location, then back. So as you can see right here, it seems that your location is not enabled. Okay, yeah, okay, it has been enabled. It said there are no available survey yet. So during the time I'm doing this video, I've done my own survey, and that survey, once you just get there, that survey is very easy, very easy. You can do it and get it done and earn more money. You can. That's the only thing you are going to be just doing the survey, and um also connect your internet connection, and we start making money. That's just how this application works. Let me walk you through some things. And if you want to know more about this website, just they are on Discord, they are on Twitter, they are on TikTok, Reddit, Instagram, YouTube. For you to know that they are really legit. Before I make this video, I've gone through a lot of researches about them, and on Twitter they have thousands of followers. For you to know that they are really legit and they are paying just for you not to do anything, just connect your data, and that's all. If you are gaining values from this video, do well to hit on the subscribe button just to say thank you to me. And also make sure you comment below in the comment section free money, free money. Everyone, if you don't even have any comments you are going to comment, make sure you type free money on the comment section, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Abeg, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend this video to a lot of people that might have interest in this type of content, guys. So let's go on with the second application. So guys, the name of the second website right here is Honeygain. So you are going to be just doing the same thing on this website as well. All these apps or websites, all you just need to do is just connect your internet connection and you start earning instantly. And the best part of this second application is that once you sign up with the link I'm going to drop in the comment in the description of this video, you are going to get $5 sign up bonus. You know, that's huge. So guys, just continue. As you can see right here, they give me a notification right here that okay, so sorry, as you can see right here, it's a new to Honeygain. Here is a $5 gift. Join Honeygain now and receive $5 for free. So that's once you register on this application right here, you just are going to receive a $5 welcome bonus. So that's the best part of this second application. So let us go through some things about it, and let me okay, easy way to earn money. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay a stream platform subscription. No, don't need this. Okay, and without some things I want to some things I want to show you guys in this application. So just by doing nothing, just have to connect your internet connection. As you are browsing on WhatsApp, browsing on Facebook, you are still earning on this once your internet connection is turned on. That's just it. So let me walk you through on how to sign up on this. So once you click the link, it will take you to where you are going to sign up. Wait. Okay. So for you to sign up on this platform, all you just need is this login. All you just need is your email and your password. Once you put in your email and your password, you click on continue. Once you continue with the email, you are going to verify your email. So if you don't verify your email on both applications, your bonus will not be added in your dashboard. Are you getting it, guys? So that's all what you just need to do. Let me log into my own account and see what I have, and let me show you some things to do as well. Button where you are going to download the app. So this is how the app look like. I've downloaded it on my phone. So this is the app. So I'm going to log into the app right now and show you some things you have to know. So you have to set up starting up on this application as well. So let me click on the Honeygain app right here. So this how the interface look like. As you can see, okay, let the thing load up and let's see what I have here. So as you can see right here, I currently have $5 right here on this $5.01. I just started this account not quite long, so that's the amount I've generated so far on this application. And the minimum withdrawal for this application is just $20, while the other ones is $20. And no, you are going to get $5 on this website. So that's exactly what you just need to do on this application. Just on it on, and the thing you start generating money on this website. So that's just how it works. You don't need to do anything anymore on this website. So guys, this is how this thing works. So guys, and also turn on the bell icon, the notification bell, so that whenever I drop an amazing video just like this, YouTube will surely notify you whenever I drop this video right here on this channel. And also, just to remember you again, like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel. With that being said, guys, don't forget, my name is Olabiolu Abokomi. I sign out.